asked AI to build Minecraft, and here is what actually happened. They say creating a game is a marathon that takes months, maybe even years. But what if you have an AI as your lead developer? Today, I wanted to see if I could create something unique, a world that truly felt like my own. This is the story of how AI became my partner in crime. The project started with pure chaos. I hit a massive wall with texture rendering immediately. Every time I ran the code, I got a new cryptic error. It was like shouting into the void. Trying to explain to the computer what I wanted, while it just spat back red text. Honestly, I was ready to quit right there. I felt stuck in an infinite loop of bugs, and I doubted if this project could ever leave the ground. But then, something finally clicked. We fixed the math, the textures snapped into place, and the game world existed. I built my first house, 2 simple blocks, and it felt like a triumph. But a house is just a structure. So I implemented procedural tree generation. Watching the algorithm spawn forests across the landscape, it was like watching the world wake up for the first time. That was real magic. But a game needs tools. I didn't want to hunt for resources. I wanted total creative freedom. So we built a creative inventory. It was complex and logic heavy, but sitting there and finally seeing every block type at my fingertips, that was the exact moment the project started feeling like a real creative sandbox. Now that I had tools, I needed a soul for the world. Why copy an infinite world? I wanted something with character. We switched to an island concept. I asked the AI to help me build borders, sandy beaches, and water. Suddenly, the project had a purpose. It wasn't just a sandbox, it was a destination. A place I wanted to explore and refine. Looking back, it's been a crazy ride. We went from a broken, unusable script to a living, breathing island environment. The most surprising part? When I looked at the clock, I realized the entire process, from the first line of code to the finished world, only took me 5 hours of focused work. The code isn't perfect, but the island is ours. This project taught me that you don't need years of experience. You just need curiosity and a good partner. This is only the beginning of what AI and a little bit of patience can do. Subscribe for the next update. Thanks for watching.